What's up guys, I'm Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and we got this 2023 Chevy Tahoe. We did a Compustar remote start alarm system. This here is the Compustar T13 remote system. It also comes with this companion remote. This remote has a 3-mile radius, so you can start the car. You can get notifications from this up to 3 miles away. It's also really good in all weather conditions, so it's very durable remotes. It also has the capability of doing drone mobile, where you can actually start the car from your phone. You can get notifications from your phone. Also, you can track the car down with your phone anytime. This is an awesome alarm system to secure your car and get the convenience of remote start as well. It also features a proximity unlock, so when you walk up to the car, it will unlock by itself, and when you exit the car, it'll take about 30 seconds and lock. So if you guys want to purchase this system, give us a call, or if you're in the area, come by and check us out. That's Santa Clarita Auto Sound.